Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today on this really windy day, we have the all-new 2021 Ford F-150. This one is the Lariat trim, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this is like a denim material, but it's that is awesome. Didn't even notice that. It's like a denim-ish plastic. Pretty cool. This one has the 2.7 liter EcoBoost, smoked quartz tinted clear coat is the exterior, and then Baja tan leather interior. Very nice. Oh, it's so windy, come on. $56,430. I'm gonna walk backwards because hopefully that's gonna make it better. Maybe I'll just go inside. Oh yeah. Come on, nice and warm, nice and warm. Ah, that's better. Couple very new features that are actually pretty cool. You can stow away the shifter when you're in park. Won't work while driving. Pop it right back up. Either I'm an idiot or this one doesn't have it, but you can get a fold-out tray. Very good size screen. Hey, I just pushed something random. That's how that opens. Hello. Wow. Can I just say this is an absolutely gorgeous truck. Another big feature. If you like to sleep in your truck, I'm not gonna lie, this is very comfortable. It goes, you lay all the way down. That is impressive. Never had a truck do that before. Wow. All your features. That's awesome. This is a truck and a half. Oh, I didn't shut that door. That's why. Can't be gentle with a truck. There we go. All different drive modes. Sport, Eco, and check out all the different changes on that truck when I switch. That's awesome. All right. Let's buckle up. Take this all new F-150 for a drive. Just wanted to make sure that only happened in park, which it does, which is smart. You can also pop up a front camera for parking. Where are you going, buddy? That's loud. That is loud. Do have heated and cooled seats, although I cannot seem to find the massaging feature. I'm not sure if this one doesn't have it. Such an awesome truck. Honestly, I did not think they could improve upon the F-150. It was absolutely phenomenal for the 2020 model year. And this is just mind-blowing. Over the bump. Not bad at all. Change it over into normal. Feel any differences. Suspension seems a little bit smoother. Throttle response is definitely a little relaxed over these bumps. Keep in mind, no weight in the back or anything like that. So this is how it's gonna drive. Ten-speed automatic, of course. I'm going to turn on my ventilated seat, give that a try. Wow. This is phenomenal. Honestly, one of the best trucks I've ever driven. I love it. It is absolutely phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.